Hello, guys. Welcome to the Trading Ambience Weekly Market Recap and Outlook. This week delivered clear reactions, meaningful structural shifts, the moments that rewarded our patience over impulse. So, in this session, we recap how price respected our higher time frame bias. We are going to highlight key impulsive and corrective moves and set expectations for the week ahead. Our goal is quite simple. We are to cut through the noise, read the market objectively, and prepare with clarity as new opportunities begin to surface. So let's dive into the chart as usual, starting with AUD card. So on AUD card, this the structure remains the same. We've been talking about this for the past couple of weeks. So we have this overall higher time frame structure. We have a bullish continuation, bullish impulse, bullish continuation structure right here. And on the mid time frame, for ADCAD, we have initially we have this uh, mid time frame bullish continuation, but right now we have a triangle here. It's still a continuation for me. So our entry was placed here, stop loss below this place. So we are still presently in this trade. We are presently on AUD card. So we are still expecting a bullish move to the upside on AUD card, at least somewhere around the high of this structure. So moving to GBP CHF. On GBP CHF as well, we have been on it for the past couple of weeks. So we have this overall structure, bearish impulse, bearish continuation. But within this structure, we have multiple price actions here. So we have this descending channel, and within this descending channel, we have this bearish impulse and a descending wedge, which is a bullish reversal structure. So at the base of this structure, we have an impulse up, a bullish impulse, then a continuation structure on the daily time frame. So going down to the mid time frame on GBP CHF, we have this bullish impulse, bullish continuation. So my entry was placed there, stop loss below this, and we are still very much on this one as well. Uh, Moving on to New Zealand dollar CAD, NZD card. On NZD card, we have this structure on the higher time frame. We have bearish impulse here, bullish reversal, bullish impulse, bullish continuation. We did not continue. So right here, I think we are in a type of wedge right now, right here. So in this structure, we have a bearish impulse, bullish reversal structure, which is uh, a descending wedge channel, a descending channel right here. So right here, the price broke out of this channel with a bullish impulse and a bullish continuation structure. So going down to the mid time frame, we have a sort of continuation structure here. Initially, I set my entry here, price took me in, then dropped down. So I'm still very much on this trade as well. So I am looking forward to see the market push higher in the coming weeks, at least to the third. Initially my target is somewhere around here, but with this structure, I think I'll be targeting somewhere around this high and this high as well for New Zealand CAD. So moving on to New Zealand CHF, New Zealand dollar CHF. On New Zealand dollar CHF, we have this low. This is a significant low. Then we have this descending channel. Within this structure, we have multiple bearish price action, bearish continuation, then impulse down one, two, three, four, five. So a bullish reversal structure right here. So the price pushed out with an impulse and printed a continuation structure right here. So I placed my entry just outside this continuation structure, stop loss below it. The price has taken me in, and I'm still very much on this one as well. So moving on to the next one, which is CAD CHF. So obviously, I think I'm expecting CHF weakness in the coming weeks. So on CAD CHF, we have a descending broadening wedge, and within this channel, within this wedge, broadening wedge, we have a bearish impulse and a descending structure right here again. So right here at the base of this structure, we have a double bottom, we have this structure broken, impulse out, then a continuation structure right here. I placed my entry right here a couple of days ago. It took me in, and I'm targeting the eye of this inner structure on CAD CHF. So moving on to GBP New Zealand dollar, we have been talking about it for a while now. The price has been moving in this overall ascending channel. Then the price created this high on GBP New Zealand. So after creating this high, we saw this impulse, continuation, impulse, reversal, then impulse down, impulse up, a double top right here, bearish impulse and bearish continuation, which is the current price action. So right here, we've been talking about it for the past couple of weeks now. So I think we are ready to, the price is ready to move now. So I took some trades here, I think twice last week, or last week. I took some trade that took me out at break even. So on Thursday, so we have this left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So I placed my entry below here. This price took me in on Thursday. So I placed my entry below there on Thursday. Price took me in and impulse down, impulse out. So yesterday we have on the mid time frame, or on the lower time frame rather. So we have another continuation structure here. So I place another entry below here, stop loss above it. So on this, I have two entries on GBP New Zealand, and we are very much in profit. So we are not going far. We are targeting the bound of this structure, or the base of this bearish continuation structure on GBP New Zealand dollar. So GBP USD, we have this overall structure. We have this bullish impulse, then this broadening wedge. So right now the price got here. We have this bullish impulse, bearish reversal. Then we have a bullish impulse. This structure right here at the top of the overall structure, it looks like a continuation structure to me. So, but right now we are at the top of this structure in combination with this previous high. The price printed an impulse, then a bearish reversal structure. So I'm expecting GBP USD to sell to this low, then before we start looking for buys based on this structure. So on the mid time frame, the price has dropped from here. Price got to this high, dropped down impulsively, corrected, then dropped down. Then right now, the price has broken out of this structure, and right here we have a continuation structure on the mid time frame. I placed my entry here. The price took me in yesterday, which was Friday. So I am very much on this one as well, GBP USD. So moving on to the next one, which is USD JPY. Initially, I was looking for a buy on USD JPY, but after carefully observing the market, I noticed this high. It's a significant high. Then I found this structure right here, one, two, three, then one, two, three. So this is an ascending wedge. Then right within this ascending wedge, we have a little ascending wedge as well on the daily time frame. So going down to the mid time frame, right there, the price hit this high and touched the overall structure. So the price went there with a channel or a weight, I don't know what I want to call it. So the price the price broke down impulsively, then corrected. I placed my entry right here. The price took me in, and right now we are in profit, just as a profit on USD JPY. Moving on to the next one is AUD JPY. So AUD JPY as well on the daily time frame, we have this bullish impulse, then a bearish reversal structure right here. Don't forget we have a bullish impulse, then an ascending channel here too, which is also a reversal structure. So right now we are in this bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure on AUD JPY. So on the mid time frame, within this structure we have uh, an ascending structure as well. Right here we have a double top. For those using structures, support and resistance, right here the price broke down the structure here, broke down out of this ascending channel, then printed a bearish continuation structure. So I placed my entry right here and stop loss above it. As you can see, we're very much in profit now, approaching 2R for me on AUD JPY. So we are targeting the bounds of this uh, ascending channel on AUD JPY. So we are targeting the bounce of this ascending channel for AUD JPY. There's also a possibility that the price breaks out and prints another continuation here. If I see that, if I find it attractive enough, I might take another entry there to run to this low on AUD JPY. So our next pair is AUD USD. We've been talking about this as well about this pair as well for in the past couple of days. I think I've dropped two analysis already on AUD JPY. The structure remains the same. On the higher time frame, we have this overall structure. We have one, two, three, three touches here. We have this descending structure. So within this structure, we have a bullish impulse, a bearish reversal structure. Then getting to this high in combination with the previous structural high here. So right here, we have a bullish impulse, a bearish reversal structure. Then going down to the mid time frame on AUD USD, we have within this structure, we have uh, a bullish impulse, a bearish reversal structure. Initially, I took a trade there. I placed my entry, a stop loss above it. I took around three hours here. Then the price broke out from of this structure. Initially uh, printed this continuous structure, but I got in last week into this trade right here after the CPI news last week. So the price took me in, ran to this low, almost hit 2 hour. I moved my stop loss to entry and later moved this to zero point 0.2. Price took me out later as 0.2%. So right now we have another bearish impulse, a bearish continuation structure. Since the overall structure is bearish, so after seeing this structure one, two, one, two, then right here we have a one, two, three, four, five. Here we have a double top, which is an M cell pattern for me, as you can see on the AUD USD. So this is an M cell. So I just place my entry below the this structure and the price took me in. Right now we are running in profit as well. So we have two targets here. Our initial target is the base of this structure, and the long term target is the base of the overall structure on AUD USD. Moving on to the next pair, we have CHF JPY. On CHF JPY, we have this bullish impulse, and a bearish reversal structure right here. We have an ascending channel and a broadening wedge. So right here, the price got to the top of this structure, and going down to the mid time frame, I found this ascending channel. The price broke out of this. Initially, I was supposed to place my entry here, but I waited to have a confirmation that we are actually going down. So the price broke out. Initially, printed a bearish impulse, bearish continuation. Then followed by another bearish impulse. Then I placed my entry below this one, stop loss above it. Then price took me in, and right now the price is dropping down on CHF JPY. So I'll be monitoring the breakout of this structure. If we have a breakout in a continuation structure right here, I will add to my end to my trade and target the low of this structure on CHF JPY. Moving on to the next pair, Euro Canadian dollar. We have been on this pair as well for the past couple of weeks. We'll be monitoring development. So right here we have this overall uh, structure, bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure, and within this structure we have a bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure. Right here we have head and shoulders here, bullish impulse, bearish reversal, bearish impulse, bearish continuation, bearish impulse, bearish continuation. So going down to look at what is happening within this bearish continuation structure on the mid time frame. So we have this bullish impulse, bearish reversal, and within this we have a, an ascending channel. Then the price broke out of this ascending channel with an impulse, printed the continuation. Then I waited for the price to properly break out of the structure, then printed this continuation structure for me. Then I placed my entry below it, stop loss above it, and right now the price is dropping down. So I'll be targeting the low of this structure within this structure. That's around 3.3 out. Then when the price breaks out, we shall be monitoring it for further development on Euro card. So moving on to the next pair, we have Euro JPY, Euro Yen. So Euro Yen, we have this overall ascending channel. But within this ascending channel, right at this top, we have a bullish impulse, a bearish reversal structure, and we have this ascending channel within that structure. So going down to the mid time frame again on Euro JPY, we have this ascending channel. Then this is a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. The price printed a double top here, broke out impulsively and printed a continuation structure, right? A bearish continuation structure. So I placed my entry below it, stop loss above it. The price took me in, and the price is dropping down presently. As you can see, we are running in profit, and our the stop loss has been moved to to break even. So I will be monitoring this as well for a breakout and continuation to add another position to my to this trade on Euro JPY. So moving on to the next one, which is Euro New Zealand dollar. Euro New Zealand dollar on the higher time frame. We have been talking about this as well for the past couple of weeks. We have been monitoring the development of this pair. So right here we have this overall we have overall bearish structure on the weekly time on the weekly time frame. So and the price presently is at the top of the structure. Sorry guys, I think my internet is a bit slow. So we have this bearish impulse, bearish continuation structure on the weekly time frame, and the price is here already. So we are expecting the price to drop down. We're expecting the price to drop down on the higher time frame, on the weekly time. So that is long time. So on the daily time frame, going back to the daily time frame, we have the price hits here, then we have this ascending channel here. We have this ascending channel here. Then at the top of this ascending channel right here, we have a bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure. Bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure. So the price has broken out of this reversal structure now with an impulse, and we have a bearish impulse, bearish continuation structure. Bearish impulse, bearish continuation structure. So we're going down to the mid time frame to actually see what is happening here. So we've taken a couple of trades here. Initially, the first one here that ran to this low. The second one was here, it took me out at break even. Then I took this one last week. It gave me 3 hour. Then so since the overall structure is bearish, we are only looking for selling opportunities. So we have this structure, this bearish impulse, and this looks like a wedge to me. One, two, three. The price broke out and printed this correction on bearish continuation on the lower time frame. So I placed my entry below it. Price took me in, and right now we are trailing our profits on Euro New Zealand. So we will be targeting the base of this higher time frame bearish continuation structure for now. So on Euro New Zealand, moving on to the next pair, CAD JPY. CAD JPY. On CAD JPY, we have this ascending wedge, bullish impulse, then an ascending wedge. Then right here we have this left shoulder, head, right shoulder. For me, the price broke out of this structure, then came back to take out this eye. It took out this eye, then dropped down immediately on the mid time frame. It dropped down immediately. It took out that eye on the mid time frame. As you can see, the price came back to this eye. It took out the eye right here with an impulse and a bearish reversal structure on the mid time frame. On mid time frame, so it's dropped down, then printed a continuation structure right here, entry below here, stop loss above it, and we are in on CAD JPY. So Euro GBP is our next here to talk about. We have been on this as well for the past couple of weeks. We have been monitoring the progress, the development of the pair. So on Euro GBP, we have this previous high. We have this structure right here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So right here at the top of this high, we have a bearish reversal structure as well. So initially, after the breakout, the price printed a continuation structure here, which was not too clean. So I left that, I didn't take it. And right now, we have another continuation structure here. This looks very clean to me, and I think I'll be going on with this one. So entry below here, stop loss above it on GBP, on Euro GBP. So will be targeting the the bounds of that higher time frame structure on Euro GBP. So we're targeting the bound of this structure, this low right here on Euro GBP. So the last but not the least, that's GBP card. We have been on it as well for a couple of days, a couple of weeks rather. So on GBP CAD, we have this overall ascending channel, ascending broadening wedge, this right here. So within this structure, we have a bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure. Then within this one as well, we have two bearish reversal structures: in bullish impulse, bearish reversal, bullish impulse, bearish reversal. But right here, we have a bearish impulse and a bearish continuation structure. So right here within this continuation structure, we have taken a couple of trades there as well and made decent profit. But right now, the price is back to the high of this structure on the mid time frame. So right here we have an impulse continuation, then the price could not push further. As you can see right here, we have a failed continuation right here on on this eye. So we have a failed continuation right here. So right here now we have a left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. So going into the new week, I will place my entry below this continuation structure, my stop loss above it, and I'll be targeting the base of this overall continuation structure on GBP CAD. So, guys, as we step into the new trading week, remember that consistency is built on preparation, not prediction. Let price confirm your direction. Allow structures to fully develop and stay disciplined around risk. So, the best trades often come from waiting, not chasing. We'll continue to track these structures and update as the market unfolds. Until then, stay patient, stay focused, and trade in alignment with your strategy. Thank you very much. If you found value in this weekly market recap, please like, share with your other traders as well. Thank you.